I want to reiterate once again, and I'm sure the podiatrist world will burn me at the stake. If you're experiencing pain in your feet, it may not necessarily be your high arches, but another problem down the chain. High arch pain. Find out next why it's not too common and why your foot isn't necessarily the cause of the problem. But first, please spend a few seconds to like our video, subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful in any way, please consider hitting the thanks button and donating. Also, our team has worked hard to bring some fun and inspiring merch. You can check those out below. We appreciate your support. About 20% of people have high arches, also known as pes cavus, as opposed to flat feet. How does a high arch develop? Well, it could be just genetic, or it could have developed over time. A rigid midfoot is usually a symptom of high arches and can happen if you were crammed in the womb due to lack of space. So let's talk about pain. It's rare that a high arch would actually cause you pain. Anatomically, it's more efficient for your arch to be a little higher than flatter, in my professional opinion. And most of the time, there aren't many people who complain about painful, debilitating issues with high arches in our clinic. Now, with all that being said, the mechanics of high arches can cause other conditions that may lead to pain, such as metatarsalgia, plantar fasciitis, hammer toes, claw toes, ankle instability, and metatarsal fractures. I want to reiterate once again, and I'm sure the podiatrist world will burn me at the stake. If you're experiencing pain in your feet, it may not necessarily be your high arches, but another problem down the chain. If you feel like you have foot pain from your high arches, I urge you to rule out some other problems first. It could be the nerves in the foot. It could be from your back because you are rigid at the feet. There is a good chance your lower back and your neck work a little harder, triggering more compensation in the spine. You're more likely to have postural back neck issues than foot issues. So you should work on weak hip musculature, core, and postural muscles. If it is truly just a structural problem, the best solution may just be orthotics and getting supports for your puppies. I know I'm usually a big proponent of good exercise, but this one is one of those instances that getting orthotics might be the best course of action. So there you have it. Dealing with high arch pain could be helpful with good orthotics and management of postural and core muscles. Oh, and if things persist, go see a medical doctor for an x-ray for any possible fractures that could exist in your foot. Let us know your thoughts on our video. Please leave us some love or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.